As we wrap up the 2023 NAS Oceana Air Show, we wanted to give a great big shout out to everyone who made this happen. It was a Herculean effort by everyone across the enterprise. We couldn't have done it without you. There were 206 volunteers from headquarters, about 150 plus volunteers from across the Tidewater team, and the multitudes of codes. Everyone participated in making this happen. And again, we thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
Because of what you did out there. So thank you so very much, and let's do it again next year. Keep charging.
Thank you.